Hey friends, what's going on? It's your homegirl Raquel reporting live from my kitchen, your kitchen, and I want to show you what I just finished doing, and I just finished a video in Spanish. Let me introduce to you my quesadilla. Amazing, beautiful quesadilla right here. And I want to show you how simple it is to make it. Look. I use the Ezekiel 4-9 tortilla. You can find this wherever they sell Ezekiel bread. But this Ezekiel tortilla is amazing. And what you're going to do is, because that was my last Ezekiel tortilla, I can't do another one. But I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you because I owe it to y'all. Okay, so you're going to open the tortilla. You're going to heat it up a little bit. I'm actually using this quesadilla maker thing. It's a little thing they sell, I think they sell it at Target, and it's like super cheap. I've had that since I got married. I know I put it on my guest list for the Target thing, my gift list. Okay, so you open the tortilla. I'm gonna open it again. Open it. Half of the tortilla you put pesto. So your ingredients are, let me go back because I love Rachel Ray. This is your Latina Rachel Ray here. Okay, so you're gonna need an Ezekiel bread tortilla, and then you're gonna need pesto. I'm using mozzarella cheese. I got this at Whole Foods, but you can use whatever cheese you want. Mozzarella cheese is really it melts really good on quesadillas. I love it. Okay, so half of your tortilla you're gonna put pesto. Half of your other tortilla you're gonna put cheese. Then you're gonna put chicken breast. I actually had chicken breast here. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Get the other angle. Chicken. And then you're going to put broccoli on top of your chicken. And then you're going to put a little bit more of cheese on top of your broccoli. It's going to be loaded. You're going to cover it like this. And then you're going to put it back in the quesadilla maker that I'm just going to put it again so the cheese can melt. And then it's going to be amazing. It's very simple to make. Look, listen to your sister. If you keep chicken breast cooked in your refrigerator, if you keep stuff like cheese, pesto, tortillas, or Ezekiel bread, broccoli, veggies, basic stuff available, it's going to be easier for you to prepare. And, what I was sharing earlier is that sometimes we feel that living a healthy lifestyle has to be a complicated thing. Look, start with daily small changes, substituting things. For instance, if you like flour tortillas, guys, I grew up eating 5 flour tortillas a day. No joke. My mom used to sell flour tortillas. We used to sell flour tortillas. I would literally count flour tortillas when I was little, helping my mom. And so we, look, let me show you. This part I can show you before I devour it. So then your quesadilla is going to come out, and then you're going to open it. You see how beautiful it is? You guys, let me do the other side because I'm sure it's going to melt better. Look at that. Broccoli, chicken, pesto, and cheese. That's it. And let me show you, because this, I don't know if you can get it, but my husband brought me this El Diablito hot sauce from Michoacan, Mexico. Look, my jaw is literally melting. Oh, okay, guys, I'm sorry. I just can't. I can't. Okay. I know that's bad manners, but living healthy shouldn't be something complicated. There's not a secret. You can literally find millions of diets online. Search for them. Find the one that fits you best, the one that you enjoy, something that's not overwhelming, and something that's really gonna be something you're gonna enjoy. I'm repeating the word enjoy because a lot of times we break diets and we're miserable because we're not enjoying the journey. And we're very extreme and hard on ourselves. And sometimes we're like, oh my gosh, we want the fastest weight loss thing. We want the fastest thing, the fat burner, the faja or whatever. And we're miserable. And then we're on this yo-yo thing. We we get in this method and then we quit it and then we're not enjoying it and then we get on another one. And then you're known like the diet girl, right? So it shouldn't be complicated. It has to do with your diet, okay? Regardless of what meal replacement you use, regardless of what like nutrition company you use, it will have to take change on your diet. Find a diet that fits your lifestyle and make the changes that you need. You will have to do sacrifices because that's part of everything. Because if you want results, you're going to have to do sacrifices, but there's levels of sacrifice and there are things that we're willing to do. Measure that up. All that is based on you. The kind of sacrifices I've made are because I've seen my life and I'm like, I don't want this, so my sacrifice is this. So therefore, I don't even call it a sacrifice. It's enjoyable because I know that the end product, the end result is going to be amazing. So guys, hope you're having a great day. My battery is about to die and I would hate for this live to end, but hope you guys are having a great day and I'm going to enjoy this all by myself. Have a good one.